Welcome back. Now that our scheduler is available, what we can do is we can click this third button over and we can schedule our meeting in our calendar. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to write something descriptive about the meeting, and then we'll need to choose the starting time for the meeting. And just as we did using the desktop, we'll need to choose a duration. And when you're using your mobile device, you are going to want to specify your time zone. You'll want to then determine whether your meeting is going to be recurring or just one time. And you'll also want to determine the calendar that you use. And this will be particular to the calendar that's available on your mobile device. In this case, we'll choose our calendar, and we're going to choose iCalendar because that is the calendar that is enabled for our mobile device. You could have calendars such as Google and Outlook connected. If that was the case, you can connect them to this webinar. We then have some options. We can set it up so that we're hosting the video as soon as we start, and we can determine whether we're going to have participants on our video or not. We'll then determine what our audio availability is going to be. And then we have different advanced options available to us on our mobile device. So for example, we can choose to make sure that our meetings are recorded automatically. We can also make sure that video is going to be saved to the cloud. And once we have all of our options configured, we can then click Done. Once we do that, we'll then click the Add Link. And when we go to our calendar enabled on our mobile device, we will find then that the event is there. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.